Children, welcome to social class. Today let's see 8th chapter, that is our natural resources, water and soils. Now we will study about the water resources and soils of India. Our water resources. Water is very important for all living things. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing and for growing crops. We know that 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with oceans. Yes, India is 3 sides is covered with the water, one side in land. But most of this water is salty and not fit for either drinking or cooking. Fresh water, which is used by us, exists in lakes, rivers, streams and ponds. Our main sources of fresh water is rain. Yes, our fresh sources of water is rain. In India, farmers depend on the monsoon rains for their crops, but rainfall is not uniform throughout India. Some places get a lot of rainfall while other places receive very little rain. Moreover, the monsoons provide rain only for a few months in the year. Irrigation. Farmers need water throughout the year to grow crops. Therefore, we need to conserve water by building canals, dams, reservoirs and tanks. So, for this purpose we are using water. We are keeping conserve means using how we are using the water. Canals are channels that are dug in the ground to take water from the rivers to the fields. In some places, wells are dug to bring underground water to the surface. Yes, in some places, they will dig the wells to take water. When underground water is found very deep below the surface, holes are dug with the help of machines to reach this water. Then tubes are sunk through these holes. The underground water is brought. Yes, some places they will dig the wells to take underground water and canals. Also, you can see the picture of canal how running the water. For this water they will use for field to grow some crops. To the surface through these tubes with the help of an electric or diesel pump. This is called tube well. The tube wells are used for irrigation in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. In some places, it is difficult to dig wells. Here, rainwater is stored in tanks and ponds and is later used for agriculture. This is most common in South India. Yes, in South India, they are not using some such river, sea water. They will dig the well. Through the well, they will use to field. Dams are walls built across the river to hold back the flow of water. These walls have special gates called sluice gates, which can be opened and closed to control the flow of water. Yes, they will keep some gate, the dams, because it is controlling the flow of water. For that purpose, they will keep gate. Water is stored in a reservoir behind the dam. Canals are dug to take the stored water to the fields where it is required. In a dam, water is made to fall from a height to generate electricity. This is also known as hydraulic electricity because water is used to produce it. Dams also control floats and help in breeding fish. Yes, dear children, I'll stop till here. Next one will continue the next class. Thank you, dear children.